Welcome back, Gary Brown Forging on. Just had a out in the shop real quick, needing to make something. I'm actually working on another one of these shelves back here, except this one I've got all these holes drilled in it to put screwdrivers or punches or just anything in, just miscellaneous. I bored some of the holes, like 1/2 inch, some, I gotta clean it up a little, 1/2 inch, some larger ones 3/4 inch, or I think some of these larger ones are 7/8. Anyway, just various hole sizes. I'm finishing it up, needed a paper towel. I'm constantly going over to my other messed up desk. My paper towels are just thrown on top of there, and I pick up a roll, pull it off. Decided to make me a paper towel rack, so let's get making. Hey, please like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I think it's over in this corner. Anyway, let's get making. Okay, I'm going to use some 3/8 square stock, and I'm thinking 18 inches ought to be plenty. I'm actually going to make a couple of them. Hopefully I can tune this down, but otherwise, watch your ears. Okay, just for me, I probably wouldn't have bothered putting a twist in this, but hey, since making something for everybody to see, we'll just put a little twist in here. I'll do it this way. Yeah, it's going to take a lot of wood straightening. Just kind of round the end up a little. Nothing fancy for this. Pointing my finial down about there, half on. Oh, I hope this thing will stay cooled off. I actually put this in the refrigerator. Oh, it's still in there. So what I did is I put that half on, half off, made a little lip, kind of widened that out, rounded the end off a little, which may not have come out. And now I'm going to curl it around. I'm going to curl it toward the finial. See here, I turned it toward the finial side. Finial's down so that when the paper rolls in there, the finial will kind of help hold it from sliding off the end, hopefully. And then I've got to shape and try and get this parallel. This part parallel to this part, then I got to drill holes. Just a little fine tuning. Okay, let me put some wax, drill holes, and then we'll put it all together. I sure hope everything has cooled off. My camera is overheated so many times, and I'm hoping that all the sound is working and everything else. At a time making this little quick video and turned into being so quick. So what I did is, if it showed up, I'll find out in the edit, is I put this half on and half off, oops, right there, and flattened it out, which also widened it out some. And then I bent it around the horn so that this was parallel to these down through here. And then I bent it around the horn or bick of the anvil. I made two, trying to figure out which one I wanted to use. I think I'm going to use this one. This was a double twist, which didn't come out centered very well, but I'll use it somewhere else in the shop. And it's not quite as deep. And so it'll probably still work. I'll mount it to a wall on the other side of the shop, put towel racks on. So then got some boards and a French Cleat backing part for it. And let's put it together. Oh, another thing, in case it didn't come out in the video, is put this little finial, but I've got it down toward the back here so that when the paper towel is being pulled away, it'll snag on that so it don't just pull the towel rack off. Hopefully that'll work out okay. And I am just eyeballing this thing. Okay. If I was making them to sell, I definitely wouldn't use these screws. Trying to get it straight down the piece there. I'd use some nice square-headed wheels on them. Both sticking out a little, so I'm going to back them out just a touch. Until I get the back on. Let's go like that. By running something up the road. Also, if it didn't come out, I put, after it wasn't too hot, hopefully some of that came out, I put some Johnson paste wax on this to protect it. And I've thought about just mounting this one straight to the wall on the other side of the shop, or to directly to my workbench. It doesn't have French cleats on it, and I may just screw it right to the board of one of the shelves. Okay, yeah, that's cool. Let's see. I think that grabs a little better. Yeah. Excellente. Yeah, I got a lot of light coming in back here. Turn it that way. And turn that on. Okay. Well, that's it for me for today. I'm going to do a bunch of other things. Cleaning off the top of my wood glue. And y'all have a blessed day, and we'll catch you on the next video.